Okay everybody, today we're going to show you how to put headlights in a 97 F350. Same as the 92 through 96 F150, F250, well up to 97, the 250, and the F350. So, got a new set of headlights. Ordered them off of Interweb. We don't even know. We're going to look at them right here. I'm not even sure where they come from. We'll can check them out. Those right there, you know how your headlights get dingy and all that? Well, he's got a brand new set here. Open one of them up. Oh yeah. Them's gonna make it look good. And we've got another bumper on another truck up there at the shop that he's gonna put on it. Headlights and a bumper, gonna make a big difference out of this truck. Okay, first gotta pull all the screws out of the grill. Got 4 in the top, a couple in the bottom there, like in the middle, one right there. Now to get your grill out of the way. Then you gotta get your chrome rings out of the way, 2 screws up there. We'll get them pulled off. That way we can get to the headlight bolts. Okay, you got a 11mm nut that goes on the back side. You gotta go down between the battery, and that gets this part loose. Unplug your wires, unplug them wires now. There you go, and then that. Twist it that way.
Well, try to twist it that way.
You just gotta wiggle it and twist.
How the other one not so easy?
That doesn't fill out in your hand. This is no one come out for nothing.
There it goes. Oh no, it wasn't even
Anyway,
it wasn't even
take them out. And then you got your marker light on the back side there. Twist that. So your turn signal light.
Hold on.
Twist it, take it out. This whole setup comes out. Then you'll pull these 2 lights out and put your 2 new ones in this chrome thing. Okay, when you get all that off, you got 2 little tabs in here. 1, 2, you just kind of lift them up. Okay, if you got a set of 90-degree, what do you call them things? Ah, shoot, I can't even think of what they're called. Show you right here, but I can't find them either. Right here, snap ring pliers. You can get to these 2, but you still got one down in there that I know of, and I'm not sure, I think one on this side. And you can't get to them, so we're gonna go ahead and pull this whole panel off. That's the easiest way, because like I said, there's 2 up here and 2 down there. So we're gonna go ahead, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and that has this header panel ready to come off. Right there, you pull it off, unplug your wires, and then you can get to all 4 of them real easy. See them down there, them's even rusty, so they would be hard to mess with. So we're gonna slide this whole thing off, unplug your wires, slide your headlights out, but don't touch your headlights, because we got to work on this wire on this one right here anyway. So this is kind of broke, so we got to be careful. So we're gonna use 2 hands here. So we got them off, you can see them real good. Get them snap ring pliers, get them in the hole there, you spread it out, and you slide them things off. Can't really do it one-handed here real good, but you can see what I'm talking about. Now I'll slide on 3 of them. But I got it here where you can see it real good. See how this little slides in that slot? And then you got these little ears that clip in these little slots. Keeps them from backing out. And right here's your adjuster. So we're gonna stick the other one in and go from there. We got both headlights in. See if you can hold that thing up, Jaymison. Be careful with it. Remember, it's broke over in the middle.
Hold it up.
The whole thing.
Oh, hold on.
So that thing was in a horrendous crash one time. All right, we got both of them in. Now we're gonna put the thing back over here and plug all the lights up. Remember to put these through the holes of your plastic, or you'll be taking it back off. But we're gonna slide it back in place. You got that side? Let's go around. Slide your light through the plastic holes. Plug your headlight in too. Plug your headlight in. Set the marker lights through. Let's see. Okay, your white one goes through the top. So I can show you this here. It's kind of hard to work and show. Amber one through the bottom. Slide her back in place. So you got two little notches right there. I think you got to kind of go in with the bottom first, Jameson. Kind of in with the bottom. So you still trying to hook your lights up. And holding the camera. Kind of go in with the bottom. Slide it over your notches. Yeah, there we go. Ready for bolts. We got our header panel and our headlights mounted back up. Now it's time to start swapping over the new lights into the chrome bezels. Wish we had some new bezels, but we ain't got none right now. So we're gonna swap the lights over. You got 2 screws right here, bolt right here, 2 bolts right there. Take the marker lights out. Okay, we got our turn signal and our marker light in. Now it's time to stick it on. We got them in. Jamison's trying to find a socket to this outside one needs out adjusted a little bit. Of course, they both probably need to be adjusted for seeing. Turn your headlights on right quick. Alrighty, yeah, look at that. They already shine brighter than your mother's. Turn your turn signals on. Turn your park lights on. Or turn signals, I mean. You gotta turn your switch on. Or flashers at. Both of them's working. All lights are working. Well, except for this one corner one. When we put a headlight bulb in, we're going to have to put a bulb in there. But that's got them on, everything working good. 256 Garage out.